Hello everyone. My name is Saif Ali. Today we will learn how to edit like a pro by only using your smartphones. And the application we will use today is Snapseed. So let's get started. Firstly, open the app and select the photo. I am selecting this photo which I clicked while I was going to buy some fruits. Go to the Tools option and select Tune Image. There are so many wonderful options available in Snapseed. Tune the image as per your needs. That looks good to me. Now click on the selective option. Selective option helps you to select the particular area having same color so that you can control the adjustments of that area. I am selecting this road as it is looking yellowish. I will make it little bit darker. Fine. Now again I am selecting that mountain part and changing its saturation so that it will be visible. The mountain and sky is looking fine now. Remember, don't do harsh adjustments, the picture should look natural. I am selecting this road as it is looking yellowish. I will make it little bit darker. Fine. There is a magical tool in Snapseed, namely healing. With this you can remove the unwanted stuff in your picture. It basically fills that area with the surrounding color or pattern like the healing tool in Photoshop. I am fast forwarding this process, otherwise you have to watch this till tomorrow. That looks nice to me. You can see all the spots on the road are disappeared. You can remove any damn thing with this. May it be your annoying auntie. I am making some adjustments on colors. You can see now image is looking better than before. That's it. Subscribe to my channel and let me know if you want more videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.